Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how Wix.com gives you an idea on what to put on your description, on your website description, on your page. Okay, so just click on the text box where you would like to get ideas from. Okay, so um, click on get text ideas, click it, and once you click that, it will be yeah, you will be asked to answer this question: what type of site is this? So you can search that one. You can also add your own oh wait. Okay, so let's say that you are doing an adventure travel blog, so click it, and also you'll be asked what's the topic of this text. Okay, so it's let's say travel tips. Okay, so click create text once you're done. Okay, so it will give you an option. Okay, just like that. You can either copy or use text. Okay, let's try copying that one. Okay, um, after clicking copy, you can close that one and paste it here. So for you to be able to paste it, click edit, highlight this one, click delete, or you can click or you can tap on your backspace key on your keyboard, and once all of them are removed, you can right click and click paste, or you can also do a combination key, which is Ctrl plus V. Okay, so you can see the text has been added to the text box. Okay, you can even edit this or add another ideas, your own ideas. Okay, so it won't be as generic as this one. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much.